Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Welcome back to the vlog. Got a nice sunny day in the neighborhood here today. And for you who follow my channel regularly, you can see that I'm not in my truck. I am in a, I don't know if you can see that or not. Oh yeah, we in a freight shaker, baby. We in a, I don't know how old this is. It's got the split windshield, so it's got to be at least a 2017 or older, I would say. My truck is still being worked on. Hopefully we'll be back tomorrow. Be back. Sound like baby back rib. Be back tomorrow. So we in this automatic freight shaker, Freightliner, I'm sorry. Starting our drops for the day. About to get to where I need to go, and that guy's going the other way good. So I'm going in that dock right there. That dock right there. I don't think I brought you, I may have brought you in here before, I don't know. You got to cut it right around those. I start cutting when I'm like right there near those yellow steel posts. Right there, there you go, there we go, there we go. Right about there. Okay, start cutting, girl, start cutting. Still getting used to that longer wheelbase as far as trying to back into tight spots. I'm so used to that instant boom right where I want it. And we gotta turn you off, Mr. Hill Assist. There we go. The mirror on this thing shakes. Quit shaking, Mr. Mirror. There you go. Alright. So we are here. I'm going to get these and we'll head to the next one. Got those two pallets. Two pallets. We are off to the next one, off to the races. The next destination is right there. I'm gonna be hitting that dock, probably next to that truck. Usually dock 5 is what I try to hit. Dun, dun, dun. Yeah, we should try going 5 right there. Right there close to that truck. I think I'm gonna hit it. Come over here. Get that girl facing the other direction. Like so. Mr. Mirror, you don't help. Come on, big truck, turn her in there. You gonna make it in time now? This just doesn't have the same response. Just doesn't have the same response. But that's okay. My truck has got battery issues or alternator issues or something. But luckily, that truck is used in line haul. So they are usually pretty good about getting those fixed in a relatively quick manner. Because they're needed at night too. So it's a dual truck, works during the day and at night. All right, another successful dock hit. This place is just around the corner, around this corner and around the next corner, I guess I should say. Come up in here. See how this Freightliner backs up. Yeah, watch that pole over there. Okay, we passed the pole. This thing lurches big time. Go, 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 go. Yeah, it's definitely not near as smooth as the... Man, it's something about them Volvos, man. Them Volvos are just, golly, they're almost the closest thing to driving a car. They're just smooth. They're like the Cadillac of big trucks. Peterbilts are pretty smooth too. I've driven one of them. But like the Internationals and the Freightliners, they just, I don't know. I guess once you've driven one that's, okay. I don't know what that was for, but we'll take it. There it is. Thing's good. Man. It's gonna be a fun day in this thing. I'll see y'all in a little bit. Got them 5 pallets off. Now we're headed to a place called Wolf Point. I've got a couple of deliveries inside of there. So I will see you guys when we get there, because this first one that I go to, I back in I back in off the street down there next to the side of their building. So I will fire up the cam when we get over there. We have arrived to the new one, so I'm going to back in off of this street down this little parkway here. Between those 2 gates right there. Nobody's coming. These automatics, man, it's almost like they have to think about, do I do anything? Do I really need to move? Lurch it, baby. I usually try to, since these are on pallets and I have to pallet jack them to the back, and then he's got a forklift that he'll come get them, I kind of angle this over onto their cement. But I need some granite. I'll see y'all in a second. Got those 4 pallets off. Next time I'm headed to a place I have never been to before. It's in this complex. It's on this other side. And I'm assuming the docks are on the back side of this place because it looks like I can drive around it. Hopefully. You know, sometimes on Google Maps it looks like you have more room than you do, so you gotta be careful. You can use it as a guide, but don't use it as the rule. This is it right here, this place right here. So I'm gonna knock on that door. Hopefully there's someone here. If not, we're gonna go around that way, and matter of fact, I'm just gonna go ahead and take a peek. Oh yeah, I'll be able to get out there. Alright, I'm gonna go see if there's anybody here. Well, that was a no-go. It's nobody there. Went to the front, went to the back. Of course, everything in the back was all shut down, so I went over and talked to the neighbor that's on the other side over there. I said, do you know this company next door? He said, I believe that's his name. He goes, that guy lives in there. I said, he lives in there? He said, yeah. He goes, I think he runs some type of business, but he goes, I haven't seen him in a while. It might be one of those things. He may not even, maybe he got evicted or he's not there anymore, or who knows. So we are headed to the next location. They don't really have it. They have a dock, but don't have a dock type of situation. But I'm picking up 9 skids. So that means they're going to have to put it on the back, and I have to pull it to the nose of the trailer. 9 pallets, a little over 11,000 pounds. So we're gonna get another workout. So we're gonna go up over this curb. You got around the back of this alley. Try to miss some trash cans. Power lines are good. I've been here one other time. Place right here. Well, I got to that place and went inside, and come to find out they don't have the product ready yet. It'd be a couple of hours. So what happens a lot of times, well, in this arena of LTL freight, a lot of it's brokered through a third party. So like him as a business owner wants to ship these 9 pallets, they use a brokerage, and that brokerage finds them the best deal for shipping. So wherever he's shipping it to, Estes has the best deal for the destination. But a lot of times that stuff can put through. He goes, I just put that through, he said, probably about an hour and a half ago, and he goes, he was told that someone probably wouldn't be by today. If they were, it'd be late today. He goes, so we haven't put it all together yet. So when I called dispatch, they were like, well, okay, we'll see if we can't slide back by there later today, either myself or another driver. It's this place right here, and what we'll do is kind of go off the road here where that dirt, there's a little patch of dirt is. And he's gonna come out. It's all that stuff right there. And go get this stuff. There you are. Said you had 5 of them?
Yeah, I got the labels.
Oh, okay, that's fine. I happen to be just up the street, and he's like, hey, this came in, we'll have you go by there real quick.
Oh.
Because I was on my way to the terminal. At least not pouring down rain.
Yeah, that's for sure. It's really hot though.
It's a little warm. Oh, okay. Alright guys, I won't bore you with any more of this, but this is I'm about to go back to the terminal. I think I said that earlier, but that's why they had me stop by here and get this. I mean, as you can see, a stop like this can start eating up your trailer real quick. Guys, I hope each and every one of you have a blessed rest of your day, and I thank you so much for hitting that play button and stopping by the channel. If you like this kind of content, definitely make sure you subscribe. But until I see you at the next one, remember, life is truly short. Make sure you make it sweet.